continuing our journey in meeting some of our key exhibitors, and I'm in the stall of Wipro, and I'm with Mr. Anuj Dheer.
Hi.
Pleasure to meet you, Anuj.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. So how's the exhibition been going thus far?
Today being the first day, I think we are finding a good response. Lots of interesting people are coming over,
Yeah.
and we are the only lighting company present here, so I think that's an area of interest for most of the customers.
Yes.
Because generally they don't find lighting companies to be here. So that's a new one for them. So I think they're finding it interesting.
So now let's start off with Wipro is known for a number of things. Software obviously being the major part of your business. And so this is a different part of the overall Wipro empire, so to speak. So talk to me a little bit about what it is that that this company does.
So we are part of Wipro Consumer Care and Lighting. Right. Consumer Care is the original business of Wipro, which started in 1945. Yeah. Lighting we started in 92, and since 94, 95 we have been in cleanroom lighting. So currently what we do is we do lighting solutions for all applications, whether it's a factory, an office, or a city beautification. We are also doing seating solutions. Yeah. So the whole focus now for our business is to create workspaces which are healthy, and which help people, the employees of the customers, to deliver better. So whether it's a factory or it's an office, the lighting quality should be good. The seating solutions which we provide should be ergonomically designed. Yes. So that's all what we do. We generally, objective is to help customers to get their employees to deliver better.
But I want to be clear about one thing, because this is something which I don't think most people will be aware of. The lighting that is designed by you is actually a specific purposes for specific kinds of products. And the one that I'm most fascinated with is that you have designed lighting specifically for the manufacture of chocolates. Now, am I correct?
Yes.
Now, so that's absolutely fascinating. Now, I'm sure most people aren't aware of that. So just take us briefly through the process of how you even arrived at that, because most people think of lighting as lighting. You just need illumination, and everything can happen. So talk to me about lighting for chocolates.
Okay, so before I get into lighting for chocolates, I will just try to take you through how did we reach there.
Yes.
So we started, clean room manufacturing, which is for pharmaceutical industry. So people, when they do manufacture capsules, medicines, or drugs, a very special kind of environment is there, a dust-proof environment. And that's where we came up saying that we will do customized solutions for customers, and we started clean room lighting for them.
Right.
The same application moved on to the food and beverage industry. So whether it's a Coca-Cola's bottling plant or a Pepsi's plant, so similar kind of lighting would be used, which is again suitable for food and manufacturing industry. From there we progressed to chocolate manufacturing. That's where we reached chocolates, right?
Yes.
So we have done multiple factories for chocolate manufacturing. So if I can take some names, Cadbury's we have done Mondelez, and what we found was the manufacturing environment was different. They had very specific requirements that the chocolate powder, or the powder which is, which goes into the air, yes, should not settle down on the light fixtures. There should not be any flat areas. The light fixture should be waterproof and dustproof. So when they want to clean it with water hose, they should be able to clean it.
Right.
And from there we moved into specific solutions for chocolate manufacturing plants. And today I'm very happy to tell you that the solution is very well accepted. Yeah. And as a company we keep on innovating. Right. So we have, when we started the chocolate manufacturing solutions, LEDs were not there. Right. So we had to do with the normal conventional light sources. They were bigger fixtures, bulkier fixtures. With LEDs coming in, we have been able to make them sleeker, far more aesthetically looking better fixtures. So that's how what we do. And moving on from chocolates, we are also doing now clean room lighting for semiconductor industry.
Yes, I believe
so.
Yes.
And you know that India is now the next hotspot for semiconductors. Yes. Every day we have announcements of semiconductor industry investments happening in India.
Correct.
And this picture which you see here is what we have developed as a teardrop application for specifically for semiconductor industry.
Okay.
So what in this short statement I've been able to tell you is that we are very agile. We are able to customize our solutions as per our customers' manufacturing requirements. So semiconductor requires a different solution, chocolate manufacturing requires a different solution, Pharma requires a different solution, but we are able to do all of them.
Super. Now, in all of this, there are obviously lots of challenges that you face. Now, would it be fair to say that this is a mix of you actually saying understand that there's a niche or an opportunity in a certain area, but there are also instances where a company says, this is what we need. And then you design and create a product that suits that customer.
So all these things come out with our interactions with our customers. So if the customer, we listen to him.
Yes.
What is your problem statement? What is the issue which is challenging you in your lighting setup? So I can give you a very small example. We were interacting with some of the ice cream manufacturing plants, and they told us a very specific issue. They said, we have cold storage applications, and the lighting does not last for a long time. The fixtures fail, and
because of the cold.
Because of the cold, it's a cold storage.
Yes.
So they work in operating temperatures of around minus 25 to minus 40 degrees.
Right.
So they say we use the normal lights and they fail. So I have to replace after every 6 months.
Yes.
So we came back, we sat on the drawing board with our design team. We said, why can't we solve this? Because we know that it can be solved.
Of course.
So we have come up with a range called Frost Line, which is specifically applicable for cold storage application. Right. So when we have gone back to the customers and given it to them, they have been delighted with it because they found it's a very small problem for them.
Yes.
It's a small application area. It's not the entire factory which has an issue. It's the cold storage area which has an issue. But
Right.
that's a pain area.
Yeah.
So we are very flexible in that terms that we go to our customer, we listen to him. What is the specific pain area? Can we address and solve it? So and then what happens? You're able to acquire customers because you're able to solve his problems. So that's how we work.
So that's pretty interesting. And but now exhibition, how important a role does that play in your overall customer outreach strategy?
So generally we do lots of one-to-one outreach
Yeah.
because we are in a B2B business.
Yeah.
So we work with specifiers, architects, consultants, and we do have programs around them where we do promotion and we do our seminars and presentations. Exhibitions we have started from last couple of years, and what we have said is that we are looking at very specific application-based exhibitions or seminars. So like this program is focused on pharma.
Yes.
So we are in last 30 years in pharma segment.
Yes.
So we said it's high time that we be present here
Yes.
so that we can reach to a broader segment of customers, tell them what all solutions we have. Similarly for offices, we are going to very specific workspace related exhibitions. So I think currently it would be around maybe 20% kind of a number, but maybe we will want to grow it further as we go.
Yeah, but as you said earlier in our chat, that Wipro is the only company here which is offering these kind of solutions, at least showcasing of these solutions. So first mover advantage as far as that's concerned. But overall, with AAILE, which is where we are, is this your first time here, or you've been to this presented or exhibited at this trade fair previously?
This exhibition?
Yes.
First time.
First time. I know it's only day one, and you said the response has been good.
Yeah.
But what is it that you're looking to get out of it?
I would say it's more in terms of awareness to various set of customers, maybe because there's lots of process manufacturing companies who are participating here. So this will help us to reach out to those companies because they also sell to the same customer. And I'm also looking at partnership with some of the ceiling manufacturers who are present here. So maybe we will be able to build a partnership, partnership for other stakeholders who go into the same space.
Right.
So we are talking to some people here, so that how can we jointly work together.
Well, Anuj, thank you very much. That was really illuminating, and I really appreciate your time.
Thank you.
And I have to say, and I hope people out there will also realize that when you look at your chocolate or your ice cream the next time around, it may be, you can thank Wipro for the fact that it has turned out the way it has, which most of us, I certainly didn't know about, and I'm glad to know about that. Thank you very much, and wish you all the best for the exhibition.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.